My name is Janet Young, and I am the Youth and Family Program Director at Providence Community Center. I would like to welcome you to NCS's first virtual summer program for youth and teens, NCS Connect Summer, a virtual journey. This camp will be offered via our website at bit.ly/NCSconnects each weekday from July 6th to July 31st. For grades 1st through 6th grade, camp will run from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And for grades 7th through 12th grade, camp will run from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. During camp, participants will develop valuable life skills and make positive social connections through a combination of live, pre-recorded, and self-guided activities. Each day, we will focus on activities such as arts and crafts, which is on Mondays, health and wellness, which will be on Tuesdays, STEAM on Wednesdays, community connections on Thursdays, and on Fridays, we will have a special family and me activity for students and their parent or guardian to do together. We will also have weekly themes. In week 1, it will be about connecting with ourselves, our friends, and family. In week 2, we will be devoted to connecting new ideas and the future, the new norm. In week 3, we will be unearthing nature and the globe. And in our final week, week 4, we will be celebrating my community and my strength and my new foundation.
Hi, I'm Richard Cabello from the Southgate Community Center. We cannot wait to go on a virtual journey with you this summer. So how do you join the fun? To participate, you'll need a couple things. First, you need to complete a registration available at bit.ly/NCS Connects or from your local teen or community center. You'll also need a computer, a tablet, a smartphone that has internet access, and a parent or guardian email address to receive a passcode for the Zoom activities and sessions. We will be using Zoom for the virtual journey. During the live Zoom sessions, we want to assure you that safety of our participants remains our number one priority. Our staff will actively monitor participant activity. We will also make every effort to protect participant information by maintaining control of and access to any data collected, prohibiting redisclosure of participant information, limiting the purposes for which online platforms may use participant information, and finally, ensuring there is no advertising and no participant information is collected for commercial purposes. Thank you and see you soon.
Hey everyone, I am Leon Milkins, Youth and Family Director at the My Community Center. I'm excited for you and your campers to join us on a virtual journey. To make sure that you don't miss out, we ask that you please register by July 2nd. You can find the registration paperwork at bit.ly/NCSconnects or by contacting your local community or teen center. Once you have registered, you will also be provided with a camp in a box, which will include materials needed to participate in the virtual activities. In your box, you will see some of the following material: balloons and a jump rope, markers and scissors and a dice, toilet paper, cups, straws, and a notebook to include some of the materials that will be in your box. You will be able to pick up your no-contact camp in a box from your local community or teen center. Just remember, you must check the appropriate box on the registration if you would like to receive this kit. If you have any questions, you may contact us weekdays between the hours of 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. at 703-704-6700 or at ncsconnects@fairfaxcounty.gov. Thank you and see you soon.